Let's be real for a second. The way we spend money has changed. 5 or 10 years ago, we had certain standards for what a middle-class life looked like. There were things we bought just because that's what people did. But we've entered a new era. In 2026, the cost of living hasn't just gone up. The value of what we're getting in return has plummeted.
If you feel like you're working harder than ever, but your bank account is staying flat, it might not be your income that's the problem, it's the value leaks. We are being charged more for less, and frankly, a lot of the things we used to consider essentials or treats have become total ripoffs. Today, I want to go through 11 things that are simply no longer worth your hard-earned money. No fluff, no financial guru lecturing, just honest talk about where our money goes to die. Number 1, the new car smell. Look, I get it. There's nothing like driving a brand new car off the lot. But in today's market, buying a brand new internal combustion or even a high-end EV straight from the showroom is a financial suicide mission for the middle class. The moment you sign those papers, you lose thousands. But it's not just the depreciation anymore, it's the debt. Average car payments have hit levels that look like mortgages. When you factor in the mandatory high-premium insurance and the tech bloat that makes simple repairs cost a fortune, a new car is no longer a status symbol, it's a ball and chain. The smart move now? A 3 to 5-year-old certified pre-owned vehicle. Let someone else take the 30% hit. You just need to get from A to B without a $900 monthly headache. Number 2, brand name fast fashion. We used to buy brands because they meant quality. Now, most luxury or mid-tier brands are using the same overseas factories as the cheap stuff, but charging you 5 times the price for a logo. The stitching is weak, the fabric is thin, and it's designed to fall apart in 6 months, so you'll buy more. Spending $80 on a t-shirt because it has a specific bird or a name on the pocket is a sucker's game in 2026. Your money is better spent on high-quality basics or even thrifted vintage pieces that were actually made to last. If it's made of polyester and costs as much as a week of groceries, put it back. Number 3, premium cable and overstuffed streaming bundles. Remember when we cut the cord to save money? Well, the streamers caught up. Now, if you want to watch everything, you're paying for Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, Max, and half a dozen others. It's $15 here, $20 there, and suddenly you're back to a $150 cable bill. Most of these platforms are raising prices while canceling the shows you actually like. It's time to stop the subscription creep. The new rule? Only pay for one at a time. Rotate them. Binge what you want, cancel, and move to the next. Keeping 5 streamers active just in case is just giving away money for content you don't have time to watch. Number 4, dining out of habit. I'm not saying you shouldn't ever go to a restaurant. We all need to live. But the casual dining experience, the mid-tier chains and the overpriced burger joints has become a disaster. Between the service fees, the mandatory 25% tip prompts, and the fact that a simple meal for 2 now clears $70, it's just not worth it. The quality of service has dropped because the staff is overworked, and the food is often just pre-packaged stuff heated up. If you're going to spend money on food, either make it a real occasion at a high-end place, or learn to cook a killer steak at home. The in-between dining out is a middle-class trap that eats your savings $60 at a time. Number 5, the latest smartphone every 2 years. We've reached peak smartphone. The difference between the 2024 model and the 2026 model is practically invisible to the human eye. Maybe the camera is 2% faster. Maybe the screen is slightly brighter. It's not worth $1,200. The tech companies have mastered the art of making us feel outdated. But your current phone is likely a powerhouse that can last 5 years easily. If your battery is dying, spend $80 to replace it instead of $1,000 on a new slab of glass. Breaking the upgrade cycle is one of the fastest ways to keep $1,000 in your pocket. Number 6, extended warranties and protection plans. Whether it's for a laptop, a fridge, or a toaster, the person at the register is trained to scare you into buying an extended warranty. Here's the truth. These are pure profit for the store. Statistically, if a product is going to fail, it usually fails within the manufacturer's warranty period or way after the extended one expires. Plus, many credit cards already offer purchase protection for free. Stop paying for peace of mind on items that are replaceable. Save that warranty money in an emergency fund instead. At least there, it earns you interest. Number 7. Gimmicky wellness supplements. The supplement industry is a multi-billion-dollar machine that thrives on our insecurities. Every week, there's a new superfood powder or a brain-boosting pill being shilled by an influencer. Unless a doctor did a blood test and told you that you're deficient in something, most of these are just expensive neon-colored urine. The middle class is being sold health in a bottle because we're too stressed and tired to focus on the basics: sleep, water, and actual vegetables. Stop spending $60 a month on greens powder and just buy some spinach. Number 8. Private degree prestige for general careers. This is a heavy one. If you're a parent or a student, listen closely. In 2026, the prestige of a private university for a standard business or communications degree is a failing investment. Employers care about what you can do and your experience, not the name on the diploma as much as they used to. Taking on $100K in debt for a job that starts at $55K is a math equation that ends in disaster. Community college for the first 2 years and a solid state school for the rest is the only worth it path for the majority of the middle class now. The debt is real. The prestige is an illusion. Number 9. Convenience fees and delivery apps. DoorDash, Uber Eats, Grubhub, they've become an addiction. We've reached a point where we're paying $12 in fees and tips to get a $15 burrito delivered. We are trading our financial future for 20 minutes of laziness. If you're tired, I get it, but these apps are a wealth killer. If you can't get in your car or walk to pick it up, you probably shouldn't be ordering it. Making pickup only a rule in your house can save the average family $200 to $400 a month. That's a vacation. That's a car payment. Don't let it disappear into a delivery bag. Number 10. High-end home decor trends. We live in the era of Instagram homes. We feel pressured to have the perfect aesthetic, the right rugs, the right vases, the specific look of the season. But home trends are moving as fast as fashion now. What's in this year will look dated by next Christmas. Spending thousands to refurnish a room just to keep up with a digital trend is exhausting and expensive. Your home should be a place of comfort, not a showroom for fast furniture that's made of particle board and glue. Buy solid, timeless pieces slowly, or don't buy them at all. Number 11. The standard retirement timeline. This might sound controversial, but the idea of just saving a little and retiring at 65 is no longer worth your faith. For the middle class in 2026, the old system is cracked. Social Security is a question mark, and the cost of healthcare is a monster. If you are just blindly putting money into a standard 401k without a strategy for inflation or passive income, you're buying a ticket to a destination that might not exist. What is worth your money? Investing in your own skills, starting a side business, or buying assets that cash flow now. The wait until you're 65 plan is a gamble. The build a life you don't want to retire from plan is the new gold standard. The bottom line, survival in the 2026 economy isn't about being cheap, it's about being intentional. The squeeze happens when we let 100 small, worthless things drain our accounts until there's nothing left for the things that actually matter, like freedom, time, and real security. Take a look at your bank statement from the last 30 days. How many of these 11 things are on there? Don't judge yourself, just notice it. Every time you say no to something that isn't worth it, you are saying yes to your future self. Stop buying the hype. Start buying your freedom. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments which one of these you are cutting out first. Let's talk about it. I'll see you in the next video.